inshallah, mashallah, yallah. Turkish tea, it's nice. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, yeah. We stay from 2:30 in the noon in the car. We stuck from 2:30 in the afternoon until maybe 2 o'clock in the night. They tell us we go now to hotel, back to the trucks, the army trucks, go to the hotel. In the hotel it was the mosque. I need to take out my shoes, mosque, you know. We take out the shoes, like usually all the people, and I go in the carpet, it was a little bit worn, so it was a little bit better. I go in the other side of the mosque, people look at me, you know, because I look different, but nobody, only smiling, nobody says something, only smile. It was very nice. And I go to the other side of the mosque, and then people sleep, so I go also to sleep a little bit for 1 hour, maybe I sleep on the carpet, you know. And then I wake up, it was 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, you know. I go to wash my hand, to wash my face, and then I go to pray. I need to pray. When I go to pray, I see maybe it was 5 people from all the people there, also Muslim people, they praying. We're praying to the same God, so I think it's no problem.